What can we do with these tattered tidbits of paper? Ah, the joy of working with colored copier paper and making little blossoms. I'm talking about scrappity scraps with ragged edges and wonderful colors from my copier paper. Welcome. If this is your first time here, I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Rozani, and I love working with all types of paper. It is a soothing process for me to combine different types of paper with liquid starch, as you see here. I love to create things out of paper, and I really enjoy teaching my techniques. This particular project is a little bit simpler, but it still goes beyond the basics, and it helps to support my channel as I continue to demonstrate within a focused workshop environment. Casual, but instructional and fun. And it's a long-form tutorial, which allows you time to pause, take a break, and work at a comfortable pace. But this will be exclusively through my Patreon shop, as we take it step by step with lessons for anyone, perhaps you or someone you know who would be interested in this type of creative project, perhaps to explore a new hobby, a paper craft, or maybe just for the fun of it, because it's relaxing and there's no pressure. Just a bit of fun learning at a comfortable pace. And of course, I'll be there to guide you along the way. So please visit the link in the description to find out more about joining this workshop tutorial and supporting more long-form related videos in my Patreon shop. Meanwhile, I thank you for having been here with me, and I do hope you'll join me next time for future updates. Until then, I'll say bye for now.